Hi, my name is Adam Heverla, and I would love to welcome you back to our design studio. Today, we are doing something very unique. We're going to craft this container, and it's going to be amazing on your table. It's going to be amazing on your fireplace. We're going to have candles, we're going to have flowers, we're going to have wood, we're going to have iron, we're going to have everything today. Let's get started. This month is all about abundance. It's all about coming together, being thankful. And so I previously created this structure in one of my design videos, and I will tag it underneath so you can see it in comments. But I thought this is perfect for what we're doing. This is perfect for you to have at your home. It's versatile. There is some building involved, but not terrible, I promise. If I can do it, I know you can do it. So we're gonna start with a board. This board is 3 feet long by 5.5 inches wide. I found this at the local hardware and it was already done that size, so that's what I went with. I have some pipe that is 10 inches, 8 inches, 5.5 and 3.5 inches tall, and then a 3-inch flange to go on the top and the bottom and some screws. Honestly, it's not that hard to do, but it's extremely dramatic. What I did to start was I had the board and I took a hammer to it. And I beat the board up because I wanted it to look a little bit more vintage. I did not want it to be smooth. So if you have aggressions, you can take them out that way. That's what I did. Then I screwed in the flanges where I wanted. And as you'll notice, they're making movement. It's not just one row. I wanted this movement to happen because I think it's more visually appealing. And the pipe, I actually painted, and then I brushed it with some gold to just give you that more antique vibe feel. Super cool. Again, you could use this with so many different elements. And then I have these 6-inch cylinders that I place on the top. I secure them because I don't trust them not to fall when people hit the table. So what I put on the bottom to ensure that they don't fall off is one of our Oasis adhesive strips. We've used these in a lot of videos, and I put it right under the vase. And I secure it to the top. That is not going to go anywhere. So we're going to do that to all of them. This is going to be perfect for a dining table, a celebration, a counter. You could even do this on a fireplace. Previous videos, when I first created it, I did it with all candles on top and floral on the bottom. But today we are going to do a mix on the top of candles and flowers. I promise you, this will be one of those statement pieces when your friends come in. The first thing I'm going to say is, where did you buy that? And you can be proud and say, you know what, I made that. It's a one-of-a-kind custom piece. Almost done, guys. Okay. Last one. So our vessel's attached, very stable. It's going to be stunning. Let's add our water. I already mixed in our flower packet. You know how important that is to keep our flowers lasting longer. So I'm going to put a little bit in here. And here. And let's do the ends. And do you see that dimension we have going on? How pretty is that? We have all of this movement going to be happening. Then let's add some candles already so we know that these are going to be our candle vases. And I think I want to put small ones down inside of there. I know I've used battery candles in a lot of videos and they look great. We're going to use real candles in here because we already have the cylinders acting like hurricanes, so they're going to protect from fire. And I do love some natural candlelight. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's do our floral. So if you have a stock that's a big piece, you know we love to cut that down and get more insertions in. And we're going to put those in 2 of the vessels. Then we're going to take our orange gerb. Let's take the straw off because we don't want to see the straw through the glass. We'll put that one on either side. And let's take our sunflowers. Let's put those next to the Gerbera daisy. Helpful design hint. When you're doing something like this, make sure your flowers are going in the same direction. So we have orange Gerber and sunflower, orange Gerber and sunflower. It just keeps the visual cohesiveness. So make sure you do that at home. We have the one lily, so I'm going to angle this lily to go towards the front of this candle because that'll keep the story going. We have orange going through. We have this beautiful hypericum that I stripped the foliage off of. I think sometimes when you have too much foliage on an item, it starts to make it look messy. Consider stripping some of that off like I did, and then you can see the beautiful floral itself. Next are rust palms. These are perfect with the pipe and the wood. This brings that beautiful brown and rusty color down from the top all the way to the base. So I'm going to cut some of these pieces off. You know, we love doing that. One goes in the top. We're going to cut some off over here. And this is just going to carry those gorgeous colors right down to the base of the design. I'm going to put these clustered. When you're designing something like this, I keep the sides pretty compact so that way they're not interfering with the flame. We want to keep that flame completely enclosed and nothing at all coming near it. Put those there. We want equal. Let's keep sweeping it onto the floor. And then we have these gorgeous, gorgeous color-enhanced ruscus. Look how perfect that color is with the color that we put on the pipes. And again, it's all about carrying that color down, making it a complete design. So I'm going to cut a piece off like this, put it within the base on the side. I'm going to do the same with another one. All right, so I know you're thinking, you always tell us to take the foliage off of the stem into the water. I recognize I do that. However, I love the copper coming down through the vase onto there. I know it's not the healthiest thing, but just maybe put a little bit less water and just add water daily so you just have that beautiful copper coming down. And the little pieces we're going to put up into here. And this one I'm going to cut again. Put it off to the side. And because this one has the orange and this one doesn't, I'm going to give it the last little pop of color right at the edge. How beautiful is that, right? We took one bouquet, created this gorgeous container for them. Very perfect for display. Again, it's the great centerpiece for the table, mantle, kitchen counter, and let's light these up and you will see the glow happening. And the candles are all safe and they're glass enclosed. What do you think? I hope you love this as much as I do. It is certainly a statement piece, and it's certainly going to add to your holiday. I wish you guys the best of autumn, happiest of Thanksgivings, and we will see you next month. Remember, like and subscribe, and send me your photos. I love to keep seeing what you're doing.